Hello, here we will be learning about how you can change the icon of a folder or file in macOS. So first of all, I will open a web browser to locate an icon that I want to put in place of this file or folder. So that's why I open the Safari and I'm looking for an icon. So once I locate the icon, I need to copy the icon so I can place it in place of the existing folder icon. So this is the icon I want to use. So I want to copy this image. Once I do that, I will go back to the folder, and you can close the Safari window or minimize it, whatever you want to do. You can right click on the folder and you can go to get info. Then that top right icon that you see, you click on it and then you simply go to edit and paste. And this will help you replace, as you can see in the top right corner of my window, that I was able to successfully replace my existing icon, my current icon, with an icon of choice.